How to connect TikTok to Facebook. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now you can do this on Samsung, Android, iPhone, anything like that. All you want to do firstly is go over to your Facebook application. Then on the bottom right, go ahead and click the menu icon. And then what you want to go ahead and do is click on your profile at the top. Then next to edit profile, you're going to see those three little dots. Click on that. Then right at the bottom, you're going to see copy profile link. And then it's going to say profile link copied. Now, all you want to do is go over to your TikTok application. You're going to be on your For You page initially. And then on the bottom right, just go ahead and click your profile. Once you're on your profile, you're going to see edit next to your name towards the top. So go ahead and click on that little edit button right there. Then you're going to see under pronouns, you're going to see links. So just press add link right there. Now, all you want to go ahead and do is press URL. Then you're going to be able to add a Facebook link just like so. And then you can save it. And yeah, then it's going to be inside your links. And yeah, it's as simple as that. As you can see, it's right there now. And now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.